Welcome to Baseline. Baseline is a web service which assists in the review and analysis of third-party legal documents and facilitates the management of knowledge and best practices. Baseline runs entirely in your browser, so no software needs to be downloaded or installed on your computer. Baseline allows a contract reviewer to take a third-party document and bring it to a base level for review. Think of Baseline as a virtual junior lawyer who understands all the changes you would like to make to a document and who can identify clauses and provide you with expert guidance. Now let's imagine you've just received a document from a third party. Your first action is to log into the Baseline service. You click on the Baseline tab and choose the document type and subdocument type you wish to work from. Currently, Baseline operates on non-disclosure agreements, services agreements, and software license agreements. Each of the documents is associated with a subdocument type, which in turn is associated with a playbook or rules. Baseline comes with default rules, but you can create and save your own rules. If you work with a company, you can then share those rules among your colleagues. The first thing you do when you baseline a document is you upload the third-party document from your hard drive. You then choose the playbook. In this case, for non-disclosure agreements, we have one playbook, the Mutual Sales NDA playbook, but for other document types, we have multiple playbooks. You then choose your knowledge base, or the expert guidance, providing background information, standard clauses, negotiation and drafting tips, and alternative and sample provisions. Again, Baseline comes with default knowledge bases. Now you click the Baseline tab, and an X-ray summary page will be returned showing you by tick box the absence or presence of a clause within a document. Certain information is also extracted from the third-party document and presented to you for easy reference. The X-ray summary page sensitizes the contract reviewer to potential issues within the third-party document. You then save the marked document in your hard drive and open it. With track changes turned on, Baseline has deleted impermissible clauses, inserted necessary omitted clauses, identified other clauses by name, and inserted a hyperlink to a knowledge base within a comment box. I'll now view this document with print layout turned on, and you can see that clauses have been added in marked mode, deleted, and hyperlinks have been added within comment boxes. So if you are a junior associate or a lawyer within a company or a CXO of a company and need further guidance on what a particular clause is, if you click the hyperlink, the knowledge base will open with information about that particular clause. And you can do it for each of the various clauses for which a comment box has been inserted within the document. As noted, Baseline executes rules in relation to a third-party document. You can review the rules by clicking on the My Playbooks tab. As you can see, once you select the playbook, the rules that Baseline executes are either to delete a particular clause, to insert a particular clause, or to highlight and insert a hyperlink. However, if you determine that these rules are not consistent with your own rules or the rules of your own clients, you can then create your own playbook, and that allows you to modify the existing rules. So instead of, in this example, of always inserting a particular provision for an affiliate's provision, you could delete that provision, or you may choose to insert your own provision. In addition, if you choose just to review the expert commentary that's provided, you can go to the Knowledge Bases tab and review the various knowledge bases that have been provided. In this case, Ward Klassen's book from the ABA is presented, and full sections from that book with respect to particular clause types are extracted and made available for your review. Baseline is currently available for $139 per month. As indicated, Baseline currently operates on non-disclosure agreements, services agreements, and software license agreements. In addition to the ability to baseline an unlimited number of documents, included with your subscription is access to premium and select knowledge bases, clause libraries, and default playbooks. You can trial Baseline without entering your credit card information. All you have to do is register for Baseline. Then you are permitted to trial Baseline by running 2 documents. We hope your trial is successful and you choose to subscribe to Baseline. Thank you for your time.